If you're looking for videos on how to maintain your CRV, you've come to the right place. Today's video is about how to reset your engine oil light. As you can see, our service B light is on and we have a flashing minus 103. That means we've gone 103 miles over the recommended oil change. So once you change your oil, you want to reset this screen. Then you'll hold this button for 10 seconds. And when it starts flashing like that, you'll let it go, and then you'll press it again for 5 seconds. And that reset it to 100%. So that's how you reset your maintenance light after you make your oil change. If you find this content useful, please like and subscribe to this channel. And so you don't miss any future updates, hit that bell.